We believe in a very minimalistic approach. The less objects in the images, the better. We use them when we need to use them. There will be something like bubbles or little wooden toy or something that is going to be nice if you see it, that is not competing with the subject. Something more about the personality of the kid than a plastic toy.
People come to us because they like those very clean portraits that we do. It's about the expression, it's about the composition, it's about the grayscale that we create. And so we often really keep to a minimum props in the photo unless they're particularly meaningful to a family, like a special blanket or a little toy they had when they were a child. We ourselves will not add things unnecessarily to the portrait. We just want to keep those clean lines. But when children get to a certain age, like toddlers, we need to have some fun. We need to throw some toys into the mix to keep them busy and interested in the session.